Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today we are checking out the newly launched Asus AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT. And I just bought it today, so I'm really excited to check it out. So here is the box itself. We have the image of the GPU itself, and this one is with the two fans. There is also a triple fan which cost 2000 rupees more. This one was 44,900 rupees, which is way cheap. I think the prices are going to go up pretty soon, but anyways, let's check it out. So here are some of the features. We can see it says 1080p Full HD gaming, which is, I think, should be 4K, but we are going to use it for mining. So let's see what result we will get. So here we have 8 GB of memory, GDDR6, Pcie 4.0 support, and this one is the OC edition, so we'll also overclock it. So that's that. Now here we can see it says AMD RDNA 2 architecture, and on the sides we have same thing, so let's skip that. Getting to the back, we have some more things to read. So here it says AMD Radeon RX blah blah, and below this we can see that it has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. So here we have the image of the front, back and the software itself. We also get a back plate, so that's neat. Now we have some features down here, like it says AMD Fidelity FX, Radeon Anti-Lag DirectX 12 Ultimate, AMD RDNA 2 architecture, 7nm GPU and HDMI 2.1 PRR. So we also have some minimum requirements to make this thing work. So we need PCI Express compatible motherboard with one X16 PCIe slot, minimum 500 watts of power supply, 8 GB of system memory, 16 GB is recommended, 64 GB of OS supported with Linux, Windows 7 and Windows 10. So getting that out of the way, let's open this bad boy. So here is the GPU itself, so let's take it out. Let's keep this aside. What else do we have in the box? We don't need this now. So we get some cards, user manual, okay. Thank you card. I mean, useless stuff, wasting paper. So we don't need this. I guess we are done for the box. So let's take a look at this beauty. Whoa. So it's looking very good. Let's remove this. So yeah, we have dual fan, pretty nice. And I don't think there is any RGB on this, which I don't like RGBs. Feels a bit kiddish. So yeah, I mean, the back plate on this looks beautiful. So as mentioned, we have 2 display ports and 1 HDMI port here. And I mean, that's good. So that was the unboxing, I guess. But now I'm going to plug this into my PC and see what hash rate we are getting. So stay tuned for that. So I think this video was helpful, and if it did, please leave a like on this video so we can make more videos like this, and also share this video as this is newly launched. I guess your friends are really excited to check this out, so they should watch this video too. And yeah, that's been it. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.